everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to install Aviator Predictor on iPhone. The Aviator Predictor is a modi app designed to predict multipliers and provide rewards for games like Aviator, which makes casino gaming more straightforward. However, since it's a third-party app, installing it on your iPhones requires a few adjustments to your device settings. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps you need to take to install the Aviator Predictor on your iPhone. First, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first, you should adjust your iPhone settings. Before you can install the Aviator Predictor, you will need to make some changes in your iPhone settings to ensure smooth installation and operation. So first, enable background type refresh. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Then scroll down and choose background type refresh. Then tap on background type refresh at the top. Select Wi-Fi and mobile data if it is not enabled already. Enabling background type refresh ensure that the app will function properly in the background after it's installed. And the next thing you should do is disable low power mode if it is enabled. For this, open the control center and tap on the battery icon if low power mode is enabled. Tap on it to disable it and you are done. Next thing I'm going to tell you, download Aviator Predictor. Now that your settings are adjusted, you can proceed to download the Aviator Predictor app. Open any browser or your iPhone like Safari and Chrome, etc. In the browser search bar, type in appsgu.com. Tap enter. Once the website loads, use the search bar to find Predictor Aviator. Tap on it. You will see a button labeled Start Injection. Tap on this button to begin the download process. The app will not immediately show up on your home screen after the download is complete. Tap on Allow. Next, install the Aviator Predictor profile. To finalize the installation, you will need to install a configuration profile from your iPhone settings. In the Main Settings menu, you will see Profile Downloaded. Tap on the profile downloaded. Then click on Install. Enter your iPhone's passcode when prompted. Then tap on Next. And then tap on Install to confirm the installation. The profile installation should complete quickly, and once it's done, you will see the Aviator Predictor app appears on your home screen and you are done. I hope this video will help you to install Aviator Predictor on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.